What is the hardest part about making plans?
I guess it's all about prioritizing. It isn't easy to decide the order in which you have to take up the tasks. I often keep wondering whether I should do yoga first or prepare breakfast.
What is the most recent plan you made?
I made a travel plan to Binja, which is on the way to Medicare. We were a group of four. We planned to travel in my car and I made a hotel arrangements too. Since it's a Tibetan settlement, we were on the lookout for authentic Indian food. I was successful in booking a lodging near an Indian restaurant. It was a walkable distance to the restaurant and my friends appreciate me for it.
Do you make plans every day?
Well, it's not that I make a plan, but things seems to work out in order. I would say I got used to this routine. I rarely do anything out of the ordinary, so you can call me well planned too.
Are you good at managing your time?
Actually, I don't make any efforts towards it. I follow my routine, and if anything is a priority, whether at work or home, I do that first. Time gets managed automatically.
Priority. Priority is the fact or condition of being regarded or treated as more important than others. For example, she was given work to be done on priority. Well planned, which is an adjective, means carefully arranged or designed. For example, the wedding was well planned. Automatic, which is an adjective, with reference to a device or process, which means by itself with little or no direct human control. For example, the vehicle had an automatic gear. Routine, which is a noun. It's a sequence of actions regularly followed. For example, she always stuck to the routine.